All right, grab your notebook. I'm going to help you answer 3 really important questions if you are 40 and over and looking to start an online business and your intention is to really make money and you don't want to sit around figuring things out. And I'm going to help you with these 3 questions coming from a place of what I would have loved to have heard when I was first getting started myself. And think of me as just your big sis and not a YouTuber. I'm just here to shoot straight, give you some real talk, and help you start getting to these digital coins. The very first question is, how much profit do you want to make? So it's really important to know that when you sell something, what you actually get to keep, that is your profit. So if you decide upon like an affiliate marketing style business where let's say you sell something for $100, but your percentage that you earn is 20%, it means that your profit is $20. Now I have a business model where I earn 100% profit. So I sell a $500 thing and I get $500, right? Minus merchant fees, right? But I don't split my quote unquote money or commissions with a company. I actually see all of the money. But what's also really important when it comes to profit is how much do you want to see? Like how big do you want those profits to be? Because just because you can position yourself to keep all of the money as in 100%, if you are selling something for $5 and you get 100% profits, it means that you are likely going to see right around $4.85. And that's just because of merchant fees. All right. So think about the kind of dollars that you actually want to see. If you're 40 and over, you're likely not starting your online business for funsies. You're likely starting your online business because you need the money, right? Maybe you're not where you want to be for retirement. Maybe you just want a better quality of life. Maybe you don't see yourself working for another, 20 plus years. And so you're starting your business very intentionally. And it is in fact about the dollars. When I first got started online, I was 33 years old and I didn't understand the concept that the same work that I did for small dollars, like $5, was the exact same work that I would do to earn $150 or a few $1,000s. And what I would come to find out after months inside of my business was the exact same work that I was doing for very little dollars was the exact work that I did when someone decided to pay me $2,000 for an opportunity that I was actually selling. And I'm not even joking about that. That is wild. And so that is why I really like to have these conversations, because oftentimes when people are starting a business, they think too much from where they are financially. And they think, I only have a little bit of dollars. And so they try to make like small dollar decisions. And what I want to encourage you to do as you are answering these kind of questions so that you can make the best decision when you're getting started is think more about the outcome that you actually want. And all I can tell you is having a business in this instance that pays you 100% profits, or should I say sets you up for 100% profits and allows you to earn $500 per sale. Those $500 sales, they stack really beautifully. I mean, 4 sales is $2,000. Whether you want those 4 sales to be in a week or whether you want those 4 sales to be in a month, right? They stack really beautiful. So that's question number 1. Question number 2, what do you want your workload to look like? Really important. I've been online for 18 years, been boss free for right around 14, 15 years now. And I can tell you with different things that I've done online, my workload has not always looked the same. It has not always looked good. The workload I enjoy is a workload that involves me or allows me to be able to do very simple videos like this. I call it posting online. And that's really dependent upon the kind of business that you want. You can have a business that simply allows you to post online and to get paid, right, by posting and selling something through your actual post. And so this is how I made my first dollars online. It's how I was able to replace my nursing income. And it's exactly how I experienced my first 6-figure year, just years into my journey, was by just simply posting simple videos and those videos selling high ticket products that allowed me to earn, 100% profit. So, but I've also done coaching. I've also done mentorship. I've also done consulting. I've also created my own digital products. And what I can tell you at this stage is that is not what I would necessarily advise for someone that wants to get into money very quickly and potentially wants like a lighter workload. I love the idea and I love selling the concept of being able to post and be able to make money from the content that you post that sells things through your posting, because there's so many platforms that you can post on. If you don't want to do videos, you don't have to make that a part of your workload. You can decide to, use Facebook And there are people that are making a lot of money by simply posting and engaging in Facebook groups. Like that's their whole strategy. There are other people that are using Threads, which is all text based. There's nothing video related. There are people that are doing short form content in the way of Reels and TikTok, and even short form content on YouTube. There are people where their entire business is they just go live for an hour or two a couple of times throughout the week, right? And through that kind of posting and sharing, right, they're making thousands of dollars a week. So you want to ask yourself, what do you want your workload to look like? If you don't want to make calls, if you don't want to work with people one-to-one, if you don't want to spend hours and hours and hours creating new products, then you want to be very, very clear about the kind of business that you actually want. I love a business where I can believe in a product like I do now, and I can share that product with other people that want the same kind of outcome that I want in my business, right? So I sell a product that helps people learn the business of online business. It helps them develop digital marketing skills, and it gives them a ready to go business system like a franchise or a turnkey business that they can begin selling in as little as a week, and that pays them 100% profits, right? And allows them to earn $500 every time they sell it. I know that's something that I appreciate, and I love being able to go out there and post simple content and invite people to learn more about it. And when someone decides they want the exact same thing that I'm offering, then guess what? They purchase and I earn $500. I don't have to do one-to-one coaching. I don't have to create products. I don't have to spend a lot of time like laboring over my business. I just get to do simple things like this. And when you get dialed in, like, so when you're learning, it might take you just a little bit longer, but once you get dialed in, little things like this in terms of your posting, right? Literally you can have a business where, 2 to 4 hours a day, you can run your business effectively. And those 2 to 4 hours a day have the potential to earn you thousands of dollars a week. Again, you've got to make sure that you're positioned appropriately. And as you can see with like a $500 sales point, again, 2 sales, that's a $1,000 a week. I remember when I first started having those kind of weeks when I got started, right? They felt really, really good. And then when I got wind that, wait a second, $2,000 weeks consistently is 6 figures. That's exactly when I had my first 6-figure year. So just keep that in perspective. And then the third question is, what do you want your overhead to look like? A lot of people don't think about this. It's wild when I think that my business model, the overhead to run my business, my actual business without any like extra stuff that most people don't need, but I leverage different tools in my business. But in order to just run my business, my overhead is far less than $100. The system that I actually use that does all of my like sales pages and sales, the same replicated system, if you want, you can get access to as well, right? Less than $50. And I have business partners and customers that run their business for less than $20 a month. Some even get started running their business with an overhead of $0 a month. And that's what's exciting, right? And so you get to actually choose. Do you want a business that has, a lot of overhead, or maybe you're running ads and you have a team and you're outsourcing and you have complicated tech? Like that's a thing. Right? And there's also a way of being able to have virtually no overhead and to run a very slim business. And I love being a solopreneur. I was having a conversation with a banker that called me from my bank, asking me questions about scaling up my business. And she asked me about how many employees I had. And I said, I have none. And she said, do you ever look to have employees? I said, to be honest with you, no. Right? Like if I can keep scaling my business and get to a point where, I'm doing $500,000 to $1 million a year without any employees, right? Then that's what I want. Like, let me do this as a solopreneur. Can you imagine having a business, right? Where you're earning $500,000 a year and your overhead is still like less than $100, right? Believe me, that's very, very doable. And so oftentimes people get in trouble when they start businesses because they don't know what they're looking for. And I think these are really important questions to answer for yourself. But I think that in answering them and having like a dialogue like this, right, with a big sis that's big in the game, that knows the game and can like help you navigate a direction that makes sense for you, especially if you're over 40 and you're like, I don't have a lot of time to figure this out. I need to get started. I need to get set up and I need to get myself into profits as soon as possible. When you answer these kind of questions, it not only helps you know what to look for, but it also creates a level of awareness of what is possible. Because there are a lot of people that get started in business and they only know like what they know. So there are some people that the only thing they know is, I have an area of expertise and I'm going to set up a consulting business, or I'm going to create my own products, or I'm going to create courses, or I'm going to do coaching. A lot of people don't know that you can sell done for you digital products and that you can even sell whole, right, done for you, ready to sell businesses. Like you could actually sell franchises. You could sell turnkey systems like this, right, where the big money really is. So many people don't even know that this exists. So if this like has piqued your interest, and you're like, Steph, What you just shared, I want to know more about. I'll tell you real briefly what my business entails. So it is a $500 turnkey business, right? Liken it to a franchise. You have everything that you need to help you learn this specific business, to help you get this business set up, and to help you start posting. So think of it as in 3 steps. All right. Well, let's just say 5 steps. Number 1, you're going to make a decision that, like, yeah, that's what I want as a business. All right. Number 2, you're going to decide to sign up. You're going to decide to invest in the actual business system. Once you're inside, it's 3 steps that you're going to essentially go through to get yourself positioned to start making those $500 sales. Step number 1 is that you're going to learn the business. A big mistake people make when they come online is they think they have to know everything about making money online. When I made 28 sales in my very first 30 days online, I didn't hardly know anything. All I knew is I had something that I believed in and that I thought other people should know about. And I knew that people were making really great money on YouTube. And so I got on YouTube and I began to shoot videos, and I made 28 sales in my first 30 days. In my next 30 days, I learned that I should be building an email list, right? And so I went out there and I set that up. So much of my first few months online, right, I made money, which again keeps us in the game, proof of concept that it works and that we can be successful. But then as I learned new things, I just began to implement new things, right? Oftentimes people think they have to know everything about making money online before they can get started, right, making money. And that could be further from the truth. What you have to know, and this is most important, is that when you pick your business direction or your system, it's your job to learn the system. So with our turnkey business, when you come inside, you specifically learn our business system. You learn how to get this business system set up. We give you a done for you setup. We give you step-by-step instructions. We show you how to connect everything that needs to be connected so that when someone buys from your system, those $500 goes instantly and directly to you, right? And then you also learn how to start posting. Whether it's TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, you're going to learn exactly how to start posting. And the fun thing about posting, especially when you're brand new, is nothing more than just simply sharing your journey, sharing your excitement, and being a really great tour guide for what you have to offer other people. All right. And then from there, you begin to build your brand, you begin to make money, and it's like your journey just kind of takes on a life of its own. But the most important thing is that you're equipped and you're set up, right, to start making money really, really quickly. High profit potential, high payout potential, easy setup, low overhead. If this sounds like something that you want to dive more into, or if you're a lot like me, I know when I found my first business system, I jumped right in. I got started at 11:30 at night. We call that day number 0. And then by day number 3, I had made my money back because I made my first sale. A couple of years ago when I was pivoting from my coaching business, because again, I established that I did not enjoy that kind of business and I was looking for something simpler. I found a lady that was making about $22,000 a month. And the way she was posting and showing up online, and she was going live. And again, $22,000 a month. Hello, like that got my attention, and she was just selling something very, very simple, right? So what did I do? She piqued my curiosity, right? She kind of shared some information, much like I'm sharing now. I went over to her website. I said, oh my gosh, I want to do this. I got started, right? And then that weekend, I spent the weekend getting my own system set up. And on Monday, I was out there sharing this with other people. And by Wednesday, I had made my money back. So like, this is a fast moving way of getting started in an online business. And again, if you're someone over 40, I'm 51 years old, like I'm not playing around with these coins. I am doing everything in my power to create the awareness for more people over 40 that there is a faster way to start an online business and to really start making money. And I just want to make sure that more people know, again, that this is accessible and like this really, really is a thing, and that people over 40 are absolutely crushing it, right, with systems like this. So I'll drop my information down below in the description, and also know that support is included. So every single Tuesday, you'll be able to join me and our community on a live Zoom call where you can ask questions, get guidance, and ultimately just be supported on this journey. And to be reminded that you're just never in this all by yourself. So if you're ready to get plugged into a ready to go system and you love the idea of being a franchise owner or a turnkey business owner, every time I say that, it feels so grown, right? It's like, I own my own franchise. I own my own turnkey system, and I get to earn $500 every time I sell this to another person. It's just exciting to me because I know how fast that can change someone's bank account. But I'll drop my information down below in the description, or simply go to www.myturnKeyBusiness.com to learn how to get your turnkey business set up. I look so forward to seeing you in my next video, and I look forward to seeing you inside of the community, inside of the turnkey business, and meeting you in office hours this coming Tuesday. Bye-bye.